5 minus 3 gives us 2, obviously. 5 minus 3 also gives us 2, obviously. 2 times 2 equals 4, obviously. But this answer is wrong. You would be surprised if I told you what the answer, the real answer is. And you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker. And that's the trap of orders of operation or order of operation. You didn't follow the correct order. You fell for an optical illusion. But what is the correct order of operations? It is something called PEMDAS. So let's see what PEMDAS is. P stands for parentheses. You must do this first. E stands for exponents. M stands for, multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority. So here we have the highest and the lowest priority. You must do parentheses at first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right. So they have the same precedence, the same priority. MD or DM doesn't matter. And then finally go for addition and subtraction from left to right. So please, for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. Now let's revisit our problem. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. Let's do the parentheses at first. So 5 minus 3 gives us 2. So we can remove the parentheses and put the multiplication sign here. So you fell for this trap. You thought 5 minus 3, it is paired, but it is not paired. They are not paired together. In fact, 3 is paired with the parentheses. So we have a multiplication here that has a higher priority than subtraction. You can't say 5 minus 3, then multiply that by 2. Impossible. So 5 minus 3 times 2, yes, here, 6, and then we have finally a subtraction. 5 minus 6 gives us minus 1, and that's the only answer. So please make sure to drop your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and like the video as well to support me. For your homework, what would the answer be if we had this parentheses squared? I'll see you in the next video.